Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the look today is this one right here, and as you can tell from the title, it's a little bit Kimmy K kind of inspired. Got a little bit of inspiration from the Met Gala. I know I'm a little bit late on the bandwagon for that because that was like Met Gala 2018. But I saw a few pictures of that makeup look reposted and I just got a bit of inspiration from it. So I thought I would film a little bit of a look for you guys. So this is just my sort of version of Kimmy K's Met Gala. It's not completely the same, but it is kind of inspired by her. But yeah, I had a lot of fun creating this look and playing around and doing something nice and grungy and smoky, which is my favorite all-time thing to do. Anyway, so before I start rambling on like a twat, like I always do, let's get into the video. So if you want to see how I did this look and how I sort of got a bit of inspiration from Makeup by Mario and Kimmy K's Met Gala look, then keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to start with my skincare first. So I'm going to grab my Ola, I think it's Ola Henriksen Glow 2O Dark Spot Toner. So this one is amazing. I've been using it for a while and it actually has helped so much with any like scarring or anything like that I've got. I just find it's really evening out my skin tone so well. So just popped a little bit on a cotton pad and I'm just going to pop it on. I really like using this before makeup because I find it helps to get rid of that little bit of excess oil off my skin and just really helps me get that perfect clean base. And now I'm going to grab my Ola Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. I'm just going to pop that under my eyes. So I'm just going to press that in under my eyes, up on the orbital bone, so I go through the brow. And for moisturizer, I'm going to grab the Ola Henriksen Sheer Transforming Perfecting Moisturizer. This one is amazing. It's lightweight, but it's super hydrating on my skin, which is why I am obsessed with it lately. I'm just going to take a small amount and massage it through my hands and massage it onto the skin. And for primer, I'm going to grab my Tarte Clean Slate Primer and I'm just going to pop that down my T-zone and just a little bit over here as well, just to smooth out my pores and control my oil. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and give my T-zone a bit of a smooth. And for foundation, I'm going to grab my Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation, you know, my ride or die. This one is in the shade 320G. And I'm going to start blending that in. And to conceal and highlight, I'm going to grab my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light. And I'm going to highlight a few areas of my face. But I'm going to start with the under eye. So I want this super nice and bright and highlighted. I'm blending it out with my beauty blender. I bring it up onto the lid as well. And now I'm going to bake and set that all in place. So I'm going to grab my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Powder. This is in the shade Pound Cake. And I'm going to use my beauty blender to bake with it. Just popping it over the areas that we put the concealer. And to dust that off, I'm just going to grab my Real Techniques setting brush and flick away the excess powder. Whatever's left, just use to set the lid in place as well. And now for contouring, I'm going to grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. And I'm just going to use the 2 shades over here, not the one in the middle, just the 2 end shades. And I'm going to pop that on with my Smashbox, what is this? Angled Blush Brush, my usual favourite. I want a really nice sculpted look, so I'm going to go quite full on with the contour and really sculpt out my face. And it is so hot and humid and my hair hates to hold curls, so it's just all falling apart. My hair just doesn't want to cooperate, like, at all. And for blush, I'm going to grab my Benefit California blush. This is one of my favorites. It's like that perfect peachy, goldeny, oh, beautiful color. I'm like obsessed with it. And I'm just going to pop that on with my Sigma Duo Fiber Blush Brush. This one is the F15. And for highlight, I'm going to grab my Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in Rodeo Drive. I freaking love this one. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And I'm just going to take that on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush. Alright, so now for the fun part, the eyeshadow. So I'm going to pick up my Morphe 35R palette. This palette is so gorgeous. It's like a perfect, like, it is a perfect bronzy, like, brownie palette. It's got warm tones, it's got cool tones. I freaking love it. It's so gorgeous. And the first shade that I'm going to grab is going to be this one right here, which is just like a soft beigey brownie. It's pretty neutral. It's not too cool tone, it's not too warm. And I'm just going to take that on my MAC, what is this, 224 brush, which is just a super large fluffy brush. And I'm just going to pop this all over the lid. I'll zoom you guys in a little bit too. Ooh. And really blending it out too, because I want it quite bead. I want it quite blended outwards. Alright, and the next colour I'm going to grab is going to be this one right here, third down from the second row. That one right there. And I'm going to take that on a MAC 217 brush. A little bit of a smaller, fluffier brush. And I'm going to pop this all over the lid. And really blending it out. And every now and then I'll pick up that first brush that we used and just give it a good blend, because I want it to be more smoky than defined. That MAC brush again. And now I'm going to take my Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner pencil. Mine is looking so sad and small. I'm just going to pull my eye slightly and run this along the lash line. Doing it quite roughly. Before it sort of sets in place, I'm going to grab my Sigma Flat Definer E15 brush and I'm just going to give it a good blend. Actually, I'm switching brushes. This one is the MAC 239S brush, so it's more of a flat brush. And I've got a little bit of that underneath the eye, but that's totally fine because I'm going to put some there anyway. And to wing it out, I'm going to cheat a little bit and grab my Sigma Wicked Gel Eyeliner and the Wicked Gel Liner brush from Sigma. And I'm just going to use this to draw out a bit of a wing. I'm going to bring it all the way in, right to the inner corner. I'm bringing it underneath. I'm going to pick up that flat brush again and just use this to give it a bit of a blend. So we want it more smoked out. I'm going to bring it underneath as well. Alright, and now we're going to do the other eye, and I think I'm just going to be lazy and just use the Sigma eyeliner this time instead of using the Urban Decay as well. So I'm just going to roughly put that all over and then just start blending it out. I was finding the Perversion was like too soft, which is weird because I'm using a gel eyeliner now, but this one's a little bit more tacky, so it works really well, but the Urban was too soft and it was actually starting to like bleed. So I'm definitely finding this Sigma one is so much easier to use. Blending so much better. And I'm just going to put a bit of mascara on, so I'm going to use my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. And for lashes, I'm going to grab the Eyelaw lashes in the number 202. These are really nice and dramatic, which is what I want for this look. So they're super fluffy, super big, super dramatic, exactly what I like. I don't know about you guys, but I am sweating bullets right now. It is so freaking hot. Definitely need to get aircon in this room. So I just did my brows off camera. And now for lips. So I'm going to grab my MAC lip pencil in the shade Oak and I'm going to line my lips. So I've just lined my lips. I'm just going to fill in the outer edges. And now I'm going to grab the Huda Beauty Power Bullet lipstick. These are the matte ones. This one is in the shade Joyride. Can we just take a moment for this packaging? And it's magnetic as well. It's so cool. Oh my god, I'm in love with this packaging. And I'm just going to pop this in the center of the lip. And to set it all in place, I'm going to grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set Setting Spray. Alright, so that is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I love a good full glam, really dark, smoky, grungy eye. Always one of my favorites. And as always, guys, don't forget to click that subscribe button before you leave and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it as well. Pop some comments down below if you'd like. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!